Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the tool ready and taking the first precise cut. Charge the Microtouch until the LED shows full. This ensures consistent motor power. Attach the chosen comb, press until it clicks so it won't shift during use. Hold the trimmer flat against skin and move with the grain on light pressure. This reduces tugging. Once done, use smooth short passes to establish an even baseline before moving to shaping or detail work. Now you focus on contours and precision. Remove the comb for edging. Steady your hand and use short, controlled strokes to define lines. Angle the blade slightly, about 15 to 30 degrees, when working around ears, under the nose, or along the jaw to follow natural curves. Keep the blade clean by tapping or brushing hair away between passes. A clogged blade snags and ruins lines. If you need symmetry, step back and compare both sides under good light before continuing. Finish by smoothing and protecting skin. Brush away loose hair, then apply a light aftershave balm or a drop of blade oil to reduce irritation and keep metal lubricated. Remove the head for a thorough rinse and dry it completely before reassembly to prevent corrosion. If the trimmer skips or pulls, power it off and inspect. Recharge the battery, reseat the comb and blade, and tighten any loose parts. If problems persist, clean contacts and repeat. Proper maintenance prevents most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.